Just some of many. What? What's the matter? Hi. I'm about to get nailed. This is Bandit. Say hello, Bandit. This is Nifty. Yeah. This here is Sunny. Hello, Sunny. There they are. The geese. These are all chicken coops too. All chickens in there. And here's my dad's, one of my dad's coops. This is the brand new coop. This is the mansion, the Taj Mahal of chicken coops made by the Amish. 10 by 12. Here's a few more of them. They live like they live like kings and queens here. And even on the sides of the house, there's more.